Hello friends, welcome to Sahu Studies. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a table from a JSON file part 2. Means one video we have created earlier, that how can we create a table from a JSON, that is the part 1, this is the part 2. So what I am just doing in this exercise, I am creating a table with the help of a create table command. This is the name of the table and this is the schema. It has 6 columns: AP ID, AP name, AP gender, AP salary, AP state, and AP city. By using CSV, right? And how the data we are going to populate? The data will going to populate in this table by reading this JSON file. Let's once this data and once this table gets created, we can also verify the how much records this table has. This must be the same record which this JSON structure means. It is a combination of all the JSON file which is present in this single line JSON folder. So all the JSONs which have the data, the same data must be present in this table as well. So let's go to the Databricks and run and do this exercise. Name it as create table with JSON part 2. Let's connect it with our currently running cluster. So we have created this table. Let's copy this code. Otherwise, I have to write the code for it. So here we can say, let's change it JSON, and this is a 2 only, and these are the schema. This is using JSON. JSON is going to take it or not. I have created with the help of a CSV file. Let's see if it is creating with the help of a JSON or not. If it will not there, then we will see how we can create it by using CSV. Let's first create it. So what is the, let me copy the JSON file which we are going to read. So this is the JSON which I am reading. Let me copy it, and here we have to paste it. Here we need to give the JSON file. Okay, and this header is not applicable here because this is the JSON structure. Let's run it. Okay, so this table has been created by reading all the data which is present in this JSON structure. Let's see the content of this table. Select start from, run it. So it has a 5 rows and 6 columns. So we have seen here how can we create a table, and the data will going to populate by reading all the JSON, all the data which is present in this JSON file. Mode would be override, and the type of this, and how we are going to populate the data. We are going to populate the data with the help of a using JSON, and all the data must come from this file. In our PPT, if you see in the PPT, here I have written the CSV, but here it must be JSON. This could be a typo. That's why in the exercise I have corrected, instead of a CSV I have written JSON file. So here we have seen how can we create a table directly populating the data from a JSON file at the time of a creation only. So let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.